Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Apple Maps app on your iPhone to get directions from one place to another. Start by opening the Maps app on your iPhone. In the search bar, type your destination, for example, public gardens, and tap the correct option from the suggestions. You'll see it appear on the map with a pin. Next, tap the blue Directions button to get the route from your current location. You'll now see the route on your screen. Choose whether you want walking, driving, or transit directions. For this example, let's select driving. Finally, tap Go to start navigation. Follow the blue line on the map, and the app will guide you step by step until you arrive. That's it. You've now learned how to get directions in Apple Maps, making it easy to travel from one location to another. Thank you for watching.